back to another vlog here in Mexico City. Well, actually in Mexico, because we are leaving today. We gotta leave our Airbnb, and now we will head to my grandma's house. So right now it is 10:31. Right there. Yeah, it is 10:31, and we gotta do the checkout at 11, but we gotta be out before 11, and we're just cleaning up a little bit because they asked us to turn in the Airbnb clean. Anyways, yeah, we are now ready to go, and yeah, bye bye to Mexico City. I mean, I really liked it. It was really stressful, but very cool at the same time. Yeah. Anyways, it was cool to be here at the Airbnb. We had no Wi-Fi. That's one of the things that we didn't like about this place, that the Wi-Fi was not working, and they said they were gonna send a technician, but it's Sunday. I mean, my dad, when he told him that, I think it was on Friday, and obviously they were not gonna send any technician during the weekend. So yeah, that's a point less, and some other things too, but okay, whatever. We're leaving now, and yeah, here we will start our day. We will take the bus to my grandma's town, and yeah, I'll see you guys over there. Okay, bye. Yeah, bye bye. Alright guys, so right now we are ordering the Uber. We're waiting at the lobby here in the condo, and yeah, we ordered one, but the driver canceled the drives, therefore like the trip, so we had to wait for another Uber, and now we're waiting for this one. 6 minutes. We are now at the bus. We will leave in a bit, and we're trying to get a taxi as soon as we get there, because there's no other way to go home, right? So I'll see you over there. Bye-bye. We are still in the bus, as you see, but I'm gonna eat my bread that we bought at Chedraui yesterday. I couldn't eat it yesterday because we ate pizza, you guys saw it, and today in the morning we were too rushed to eat breakfast, so I'm gonna show you my pastry. Here it is. It has pineapple, and I gotta eat it now, because if I wait a little bit too long, then it'll get soggy and it won't taste good anymore. So we'll try it. It's really good. Really good. They had a lot of matcha products there. Well, she doesn't like it. Neither my mom and dad. I'm not a matcha lover. And again, we're watching a movie. It's really good. It's called Blended with Adam Sandler. Alright guys, all the way over there on that part, that's the mango, that's where we're going right now. My grandma's town. But I was trying to take a picture of this part right here. It looks really nice. Look at that. A very beautiful view. Alright guys, so here I am in my grandma's house after a while, after let's say like 2 hours and something, because the bus took like an hour an hour 15, I would say. And then we took forever to find a taxi. When we finally arrived to the town, let's say, okay, it's like to the big town, I would say, because it's kind of weird here. It's like a big town, and then where my grandma lives is a smaller town. So anyways, yeah, we arrived to downtown, where we took the bus when we went to Mexico City. And yeah, we were there, and like it was so hard to find a cab, because all of them were going to Toluca. Toluca is the capital of El Estado de Mexico. So we were like we gotta go to another town. Nobody wanted to take us. They were like, no, we're going to Toluca, blah blah blah. And since today's Sunday, there's a lot of people, and all of the cabs were full. Until this guy, he's like, no, just stay here. All the cabs will come to this site, and you will eventually find one. And then like we were there waiting until this guy, really really nice, he asked one of the cabs if he could take us to my grandma's town, to a taxi that was going to Toluca. So he convinced the driver, and then yeah, we finally took the taxi and we came here. So like, thank God, and also to that guy who helped us, who I was just like, oh, my baby Shiro, my cat, he was crying and he was meowing, and then he saw us and he was like, oh, he wanted to cuddle. So we were there with him for a while. Right now they took him out for a walk, with his harness and leash. And yeah, right now he's chilling with my family. Right now we are settling down again in my grandma's house, and yeah, but maybe right now we're gonna eat lunch. What time is it? I don't even know what time is it. We're gonna eat, because my grandma and my auntie, they're cooking right now. And then afterwards, if we still have time, I want to go to the market, El Mercado in downtown, because today's Sunday, usually they put big markets, and like the other one they put is on Thursday, but I don't really like going on Thursdays because it's a bit smaller. I like the big ones, and I want to go take a look because I love markets, especially this one. By the way, shout out to Andrea Pills, because he sent me this really nice cap from Germany for Tuna Dusseldorf. Please don't get pissed off, people from Cologne, okay? But I really like it. It's cool, and it matches. Anyways, so yeah, like I was saying, if we have time, we're gonna go to that market, and I want to show you guys, because I want to buy some fruits, I want to buy some cheese, I want to buy some other goodies, maybe some sweets. Anyways, I talk too much. I gotta go to the bathroom right now, and then I gotta go help my mom, my grandma, my auntie, and everyone else. Okay, so let's see y'all over there. Right now, I'm gonna make a guava water. So now I'm gonna blend. Basically, it's guava, water, and sugar. That's it. Tengo unas tostadas. Le echamos frijoles, tinga, queso y crema y la lechita. No los entregamos. Pues ahí los tengo, te los traigo para que los... No, pero pues ahora ya para qué. Para hacer. So you have to only take out the seeds, and you add more water, sugar. That's it. Here is the guava water that I made. Just because my family don't drink, or they don't consume much sugar, what I'm going to do is add a little bit of extra sugar to mine. But here my auntie made some tinga, which is basically chicken breast made with tomato sauce and some chipotle, I think, as well. I don't know if she made it the same as my mom. But you basically make tostadas, so you get that tostada, the tortilla, and then you put some what's it called, beans. Then you pour the tinga over it, this one, and then you put lettuce. There you have guacamole with pepper, avocados, and okay, this is the sugar that I'm gonna be using for my water. And yeah, this will be our food for today, the dinner. And right now it's raining, so it's like really cozy eating right now. So enjoy, everyone who's watching this video and eating. Here is the tinga.
Chicharrón. Chicharrón con
pork skin with
chicharrón con salsa.
Buena tostada. After some story time with grandma, and right now I'm getting la merienda, like
Si te ven, por ejemplo,
kuchen, some cake from the other day, and this is atole of coconut.
estas ciruelas
I'm
de aquí
here
de
with
la
the
casa.
family.
Rosa hizo mermelada de aquí de las ciruelas.
De las ciruelas de aquí. A ver.
Right now it is about to be 9 p.m. I think I will close the video. Well, not close the video, but I will end my day here. Today is Sunday, so I will keep filming tomorrow, Monday. I'm gonna put these 2 days together because today I didn't do much. We spent a lot of hours talking and talking. I was with my auntie, with my parents, with my grandma, and with one of my cousins, and we were talking for a lot of hours, like for 4 hours, maybe 4 or 5 hours, I don't know. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, Monday. There's a lot of stuff that we still have to do this week. This is our last week here in my grandma's house, so yes, right now I have a lot of stuff over there to organize. Over here as well. On this side, there's a lot of stuff to do. So I'm gonna do that today, right now, tonight, and then tomorrow I'll see you guys, okay? Oh my god, it was shaking. There was a mini tiny earthquake. Let that carrier. Aquí pues debajo del árbol.
¿Ya se quitó, no?
Pero ya no.
No, todavía está
No, todavía está. ¿No lo sientes o qué?
Ah, sí, cierto.
Oh, sí. Yo pensé que estaba
Can you see it?
mareada.
I'm not moving my hand. You guys can see it.
Me mareé.
¿Verdad?
¿Viste?
No, está temblando, ¿sí?
Otra vez, ¿hoy qué es? ¿19?
You see, es 19 de
Otra
septiembre.
vez 19 de septiembre volvió a temblar.
Qué bueno que no estamos en México.
¿Verdad?
Gracias
Gracias a Dios. Allá sí se siente más feo.
Ana con su gatito.
Acá el foco se empezó a mover así. Pero como yo ya
Ay, papito, por favor, que no lleva.
yo conozco cuando tiembla, no lo sentí, le digo, mamá, vámonos.
Amy dijo, yo me estaba pintando, pero yo estoy así, pero como yo siempre me paro así, pues no
Sí.
siento mucho, pero
Ve
sí,
la maceta.
Okay,
sí sentí mi cabeza. Ya se quitó.
Pot
¿no?
is moving. Oh my god. This is my first
Se mueve un
time.
poco el foco, mira.
Ay, ya se mueve.
Rápido, ya está moviendo el foco.
¿Quiere papel?
Ese.
Just a little bit. Yeah,
Pero siempre
¿Qué
hay
pasó?
una réplica, hay que tener cuidado.
it stopped. So we gotta be careful if a replica comes. No manches.
Como yo siempre me pinto así,
My mom's just like, I always would stand like that. She didn't
siempre
feel
me
it.
paro así para pintarme y dice Amy, ¡está temblando! ¿Dónde?
Amy told us that it was shaking. Yeah.
Ya pasó.
And then I'm like, oh, Amy.
Pero sí sentí mi
Amy's
cabeza,
moving.
Moni, sí sentí mi cabeza así como,
¿Verdad?
le dije, ah, chis, hasta me mareé. Cuando tiembla bien.
Ahorita van a decir en la tela.
A la 1:07, a las 13 horas con 7 minutos, se registró un sismo después de que volvieran a sonar las alarmas sísmicas.
Thank God we left Mexico City. It's a bit worse to be in Mexico City when there's an earthquake, ¿verdad?
Estamos aquí, yo.
My dad was here with my grandma.
Estamos aquí y se empezó a mover y es así. Así.
Oh my God. The light bulb started to shake. And then, yeah, my dad grabbed my grandma and they left and we went to the patio. I was here on the bed and then Amy's like, oh, it's moving, it's shaking.
No, because the bed was like this.
And then I was like, wait, what? What are you talking about? I even got a
And my
headache.
mom told me, like, shut up. Don't say that.
Oh my God. My mom even said to shut up. No, I even got a headache. You didn't? Se me duele la cabeza un poquito.
¿Sí?
Sí.
¿Espantaste?
No me espanté. I didn't get so scared because I felt it really soft. But if it was really bad, I would have gotten so scared.
¡Pintura!
No, but okay, you guys witnessed. Well, didn't witness so much because I wanted to film, but I was like, what am I gonna do? I need to go back for my sandals. But yeah, hopefully there's no replica. Right now, like I show you guys, it was on the news. Thank God we were not in Mexico City because it's usually really bad in Mexico City.
Y precisamente hoy están haciendo un simulacro en la Ciudad de México.
Mi papá.
Ajá, y se hizo un caos porque la gente pensaba que estaba temblando de verdad y todos entraron en pánico, se estaban asustando. Y mira, justamente, y sí tembló.
Miren lo que dijo ahorita.
Ajá.
They had a drill in Mexico City today because they usually do that, like the fire drills, but for earthquakes. And they usually do that in not in a normal basis, but like after certain time. Anyways, they started to do that, and then all of a sudden everyone started to panic, and they thought it was like actually shaking, but it wasn't. It was just a drill. And after that, that's when it really shakes. That just happened at 1:07 in the afternoon today, September 19th, 2022. And actually the last time it shook was on the 19th as well. Yeah, that's weird. So we are now at Bodega Aurrera. It's a tiny supermarket. We came to buy a chip.
but this one's
Yeah. We came to buy a chip for the phone, and we're gonna get a new one because the one we have doesn't really work.
Está lloviendo, ¿verdad?
Ay. $10. Of course, I'm taking some marshmallows with me. Yummy. By the way, a little update now that we know. We found out that the earthquake that happened earlier today, was of 7.5. Can you believe that? And we didn't even feel it that hard, right? But most of them come from Guerrero, so probably they felt it like that. The 7.5 over there. Also, I was talking with one of my cousins, and he was saying that there was an earthquake in Taiwan. So I don't know if that kind of like has something to do with today's earthquake, because that happened, I believe, today as well. Anyways, no replicas. Thank God. We are doing good, and the only thing that happened was that I have a very bad headache, and that happened after the earthquake, ¿verdad? My mom, she was kind of dizzy. My dad has a really bad headache. It got worse. I got a really bad headache too, and it's weird because it was not that bad, but we still have a headache. It's like, what? Imagine if it was harder, if we would have felt the 7.5 here. Nah, that would have been terrible. This is my childhood. Let me see it. We call it paleta payaso, like crown.
It's
crown,
supposed to look like that.
Clown.
Es que luego tienen la carne ahí ya preparada, ¿no? Como es un estanque. Campechano, pues le dan, echan de todo, ¿no?
It's really good. But I can eat chocolate. Look at all my pimples. I love how colorful it is, but it's okay. We're looking for a market. What are we actually looking for? I want a cake, so I want a cake, so I'm looking for a bakery and also for something to eat. We want to buy cecina, some meat. Cuidado. Hi. Oh, this is part of the market that I wanted to come. Now it's really small, but on Sundays They have all of this. It's a very big market. Yeah. So since we're gonna be here for the next Sunday, I believe, we're gonna come on Thursday. That's the other upcoming big market. Everything here is way much cheaper than any other supermarket, as you might imagine. Yay, I got my flour tortillas. It's really hard to find flour tortillas here in the state of Mexico because they usually buy and they eat only corn tortillas. And these are rare, but I finally found them. Hopefully they taste good. And they only cost 20 pesos mexicanos. $1. Santa Monica, yes sir. I'm a saint. Just kidding. This is chicharrón, pork skin. It tastes really good. Oh. Okay.
¿Cómo la asesina?
200.
¿200 qué? ¿El kilo?
Sí.
Yo no voy a decir los 50 gramos.
200 el
They're
kilo.
asking for
Y este es enchilado, mira, la que se quema.
Así en el kilo.
¿Así en qué? ¿Cuánto?
Pues 1 kilo y 1 kilo, ¿no?
Bueno, 1 kilo y 1 kilo.
¿O cuánto? ¿O menos?
No, pues ya lo que quede, pues ya lo hacemos en la semana.
Oh, that's to make stomach, cow stomach. It's called menudo. This is downtown of Tenango del Valle, and that was the decoration they had for the Independence Day last week. Usually on Saturdays and Sundays, all of this is full. They have a lot of places where to buy lots of street food, accessories, everything you want, you'll find it here. What you doing? The chef. Okay, well this is called cecina. And this is pork chop. ¿Verdad? And over here it's longaniza. Longaniza. It's kind of like chorizo, ¿verdad? Más o menos? Yeah, it's kind of like chorizo. Just for you guys to have a reference. And my auntie is going to be making a cucumber with lemon water. And yeah, for now that's gonna be our food, our dinner. And on this other side, I was craving for a cake and I was like, please, I want a cake, and they bought me a cake. This is tres leches with raspberry. Yummy. This is one of my favorite salsas. I would say it's my first, like my top #1 salsa, because it's raw and it's basically you only have to blend the peppers and you add garlic, onions, and avocado. Another flour tortilla from the market.
¿Estás probando?
Estoy comiendo mi tortilla.
Está rica.
Comiendo mi
Rosa.
tortilla calientita.
Vente.
Alright guys, so here we have the meat, cecina with the pork chops, some fries, cilantro, lemon for our
Más
tacos,
que eran los vasos.
salsa over
Ahora
here,
no seas mala.
tortillas, corn and flour tortillas. Here we have
Aquí está el
the
banco ya. No, ya
longaniza with onions
Aquí sí
está el banco.
and some cucumber with lemon water. Okay, so, oh, by the way, I'm drinking this really tiny juice.
Pero no saben
It
feas.
tastes so good.
Okay.
I love Del Valle. Del Valle has the best juices ever. Good food after an earthquake. Yes, good food after an earthquake.
¿Te pasa un texto?
Ponlo para allá. Pero nomás estamos
Una
de...
pedacita de él.
Cilantro.
¿Me paso el plato para allá?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put salsa first.
Ponle un pedacito en la mano.
Dale tú.
Un cachito nada más.
Poquita.
Un cachito nada más. Córtale, mijo.
Pues mira, agarra este y ahí le cortas. Sí. Vamos.
La mamá dice, pásense para allá.
It's like a sausage, but it's not a
Bueno, vamos a
sausage.
poner aquí para que no se me enfríe, ¿sí?
No?
Ya se vino el aguacero.
Oh my god, so greasy.
Porque cocinaste.
Sin cocinar nada.
No, this is so delicious.
But it tastes good.
Oh my god.
¿Quieres papita?
The thing is that it's too greasy, but apart from that, it tastes really good.
No, because sometimes like
Ven ahí para que la pruebes, te va a gustar. El chuleta,
Pork chop.
¿no te va a gustar?
me entendiste.
Se enfrió ya de volada.
Everything is delicious.
Bueno, pues sí.
Entonces de res.
La sopita que tiene almendras. A la maniza.
Refreshing. It's raining really hard right now, so you can hardly hear me. I will cut right now, and I'll see you guys later with the cake. What you doing? Ay,
Marshmallow.
Todo lo que hacemos con la abuelita.
¿Verdad? Thank you.
Como eres buena.
Yeah. Everything we do with my grandma and her house.
No como están todos.
Because I haven't even finished my taco, but I love to eat sweet and salty. So I'm gonna eat my marshmallow with the
En caso
taco.
no más. Ay, no, mami. A ver, grábate.
Me estoy grabando. Look, I told you guys that I love sweet and salty. So, it has pork chop, flour tortilla,
Pues como si estuviera
and a
barbecue.
marshmallow. ¿Verdad?
Dijiste
Hay
que
que probar. No, nunca lo he probado.
So good.
No, mija, a mí no me gusta eso.
Ya con
Muy
eso.
quemado. No sirva, que sabe bueno. Quemado.
¿Qué? No, I don't know.